Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download the Wise app on your Android device. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Play Store on your phone. After you open Play Store, go to the search bar and then search for Wise. You can see Wise over here. Go ahead and click on Install. After a while, Wise will be downloaded and will be installed. If you want to know about this app, you can go ahead and click on it and read about this. The world's most international account. If you are going somewhere, the Wise account is built to save you money around the world. It is used in 170 countries, 50 plus currencies, one account, all in one place, so you can send, spend and receive money simply with high speeds and low fees. So you can read more about the app and about Wise if you go to the More section over here. After you click on Install and download Wise, you can now log into your account of Wise and start making transactions. So guys, this is how you can download Wise. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.